have BitchRTP. So my baby brother's crying. So I went to get vaccine. I turned 1. Then we got this first. We're starting with a hat. Boring. Boring. So boring. Seriously. Stuff. Then next is this mask. 1 small one. 1 big one. Big one. So next is, bruh. What is this, bruh? Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this is t-shirts. So next we got a mega t-shirt, mega, literally. Next we got this. So I'm back. This boring. It comes with a square. I lost it. Good for me. Days. So we got hand sanitizer. Oh no, you know what? What's this one? These gloves, boring. Wipes? Why do we need wipes? Next, we got this bracelet. Cool. My baby's crying. Oh, there it is. I'll put like my card right here, my signature. Then we have this. Sheesh. There's a lot of things in here. Why put my hand sanitizer in here? Hand sanitizer and hand. Wait, one more thing. Wait. And another hand sanitizers. How much hand sanitizer we need? So this is all. I'm gonna probably put my signature in here. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like bell, and this is it's called Diglett. When I get rage mode, you know I'm gonna do. We got a bracelet. Got a hat. No. Subscribe my channel, hit the like bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.